I really want to make floorboards today because the sun is out and I can use my machines. However, I got to get this kayak wrapped up. Partly because it's starting to get a little bit of mold on it. Yeah, look at that. I got to get this thing taken care of before it starts really molding. Okay. Step one, let's vacuum suck the bits and crap out of it. Ghostbusters! Come on, let's go! Alright, next, let's slap these suckers on there. These are custom made for each end.
Can I put one on?
They only fit on the right end. This one. Watch out! You know what I want to do? I think I need to score this right here because there's a little bit of a curve here. Okay, the kayak bows down, then back up, and then flattens out. And right at that spot where it comes up and then flattens out, it's kind of like a crease there. So I want to score the piece of wood so it can make a sharper bend there. So this is flipped over. This is the bottom. And I've got my saw set to cut very shallow. I'm going to cut right there. Let's see how it goes. Oh, pass me the battery. I only have 2 batteries that fit this, and they're both old, so I have to keep charging them. All right, it's about halfway through. Look at that, I even wrote the top on it so I know which way to put it. I've got this bucket of old rusty screws that I wouldn't normally use for anything. However, this is just a blank for a mold. It doesn't need to last very long, so totally fine. Now I can screw into all of these things. Yeah. So I guess I should put a... Oh, you know what? I know where they are because I can tell because there's a screw. Everywhere there's a screw sticking inside, I can screw down, right? Yep, looks like it. Okay. There's one other thing. I think I should connect these 2 pieces so this seam doesn't end up being all screwed up. Should be pretty good. I feel like I'm racing. I'm trying to get this done so fast because I want to work on floorboards too. There's like only so many hours in a day. I need to settle down, make sure I do a good job. All right, one more just because. I had something to screw it into right there. Maybe it's fine. I'm worried about, I'm like worrying about details that no one is ever going to care about other than me. Because, oh man, look at that. That looks so good. Oh, I'm super happy with that. All right, now I'm gonna make the mold for the bottom first, so I need to flip this over. All this stuff on the top doesn't matter, and I'll do the hole for getting in and out after. Right now I want to flip it over and get the bottom as perfect as I can. All right, what do we put this thing on? We can make some sawhorses or some saw donkeys. What about some saw unicorns? Oh, let me just pick this up. I don't want to do that because it's going to hit in the head, okay? No, that stays on top. Okay. Okay, it's good. Whoa. you go back to the room? Yeah, that's good. Alright, I gotta flip the whole thing over.
Why are you
Yeah,
doing
you can see the
that?
mold on the bottom.
Why are you doing that, Tyler?
Because I'm silly. Okay. Now our job is to make the bottom perfect. Starting with waving off. Man, I hope alcohol is the right thing to do here. I don't know. Man, if I bought this plywood to build a house or something, I'd be so disappointed. It molded so fast. I mean, it did get real humid for a week there, and it was raining. But still. Alright, I have to cut off any screws that are sticking out. Alright, now I've got a butt ton of spackle to do. Fill in all these cracks. Luckily, although it wasn't luck, I've been collecting sawdust, which mixed with glue is my spackle. Alright. Oh, wow, I gotta clean up. Oh, there we go. How you doing over there? Good? Great. Make sure you smush it in really good so it sticks. Oh, you're doing a really good job of that. Nice work. All right, now I can leave it to dry again. Whew, not bad. That's a good looking shape. Kind of feel like I should get some drywall spackle for the finishing of this thing. That might be a good idea.